Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com, and in this video I'm going to tell you what to eat after a workout to build muscle. Alright, keep this in mind. If your goal is to gain weight, build good quality lean muscle, then you need to be smart about how you're eating, when you're eating, and what you're eating. Alright, keep that in mind, because the best time to eat to refeed, if you're trying to build muscle, if that's your primary goal, is after your workout. That's when your body is trying to replenish. It's going to soak up nutrients like a sponge. You're going to have the protein synthesis going on. You want to make sure you are giving your body all the necessary nutrients it's wanting and needing to repair, replenish, and build muscle. So this video is for you, man. All right, so keep that in mind. It's not just about losing weight, because a lot of my videos I talk about how to get lean, how to get ripped, but I know there's a lot of you out there that actually want to just build good quality size and muscle and strength. So to do that, here's what you need to do. Immediately after your workout, if your goal is to gain weight, then you want to make sure you've got 2 meals ready. The one that's immediately post-workout, and one an hour to an hour and a half after your workout. All right, that's very, very important, because there's some strategy behind it. It's something I've utilized for a lot of guys over the years. For myself, I've implemented it to extreme success over the years with a lot of people. So the first meal you want to do, make sure you're consuming a high glycemic carb and a good lean protein. Let's talk meals first, and then we can get into some shakes later, because this video is about what to eat. So keep that in mind, all right? What to eat. Good lean protein sources are going to be eggs. Eggs are really good. There's good turkey, there's chicken breast, there's quality lean beef. That's my preferred choice. I actually like 93.7 grass-fed beef with a bunch of potatoes, and I'll throw salsa on that, and I'll tear that up after my workouts. I actually love that meal. All right, you can do chicken, but make sure you're doing good high glycemic carbs. I prefer the high glycemic carbs as opposed to doing some type of really starchy carb. All right, those are great for majority of your meals. However, post-workout, I really like the starchy carbs, the fruits. I'll do a big bowl of fruit, Greek yogurt with a bunch of fruit as well. That's really good. You can eat it or turn it into a smoothie. But as far as foods, you can have a bowl of those fruits and scoop up some of the Greek yogurt. You can have, again, those 3 lean choices of proteins. Mix that with some white rice. Whatever your choice of high glycemic carb is, you can have that. So keep that in mind. And that's my preference post-workout. Also, right after you've had that first meal, within an hour to an hour and a half after that one, have an identical meal or another meal similar. Another meal that's got high glycemic carbs and a good lean protein choice. Those 2 meals are very important, especially if you're wanting to really put on size, because it makes a big difference when you're within that window. A lot of people consider this bro science. I'm telling you guys, I've done it for years with great success. So it's not just bro science. Whether a scientist can prove it or not, trust me, it works. I'm just trying to give you something to implement that will give you that extra benefit. All right. Also, if you want a shake, I'm a big, proponent of shakes. I will do fruits and good whey isolate protein, and just make sure you're shooting for, here's what I like to recommend: carbs, about 30 to 40 grams of carbs and about 30 grams of protein of a high glycemic carb. Mix that together, down that immediately post-workout. Hour to an hour and a half after that, then you can have your meal. You can combine those 2 things. Instead of 2 meals, you can have your post-workout shake and have that meal. Also, like I said, I like to do my post-workout shakes. I'll mix this into a smoothie. I'll do my Greek yogurt with some fruit and my protein. Tremendous, tremendous smoothie. Tastes really good. You're getting all the wonderful post-workout benefits. Then an hour and a half later, I'll consume my 93.7 beef with my potatoes. And I love that, and I get tremendous results by doing that. Another shake you can do or drink you can do, pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice will also provide testosterone boosting benefits. So it's another one that you can do post-workout. I will do my, again, 40 grams, go for 40 grams of carbs, 30 grams of protein, mix that together, drink that. It's a tremendous shake. And then you can eat your meal after that. And it doesn't have to be the beef. Like I said, you can do chicken, turkey, fish. You can do a lot of those other lean protein sources. Mix those with some good rice, some jasmine rice, white rice, fruit. Also, rice cakes are really good. Rice cakes are really good post-workout with jam, jelly. Put some of that stuff on it with the protein shake. I've done that too. You can get 8 to 10 rice cakes. That's tremendous. Okay, if you're gonna put the jelly, the jam, cut that to about 6 rice cakes. Rice cakes, put some jelly on it, drink your protein, eat your rice cakes. That tastes amazing, and it's gonna help provide tremendous muscle growth benefits. But those are some of the things that you can incorporate post-workout and get extra benefits to what you're already doing. Because again, it's not only about those 2 meals, but those 2 meals will make a huge difference in optimizing your hormones, your recovery, replenishing all the nutrients that you've lost during your workout, but also make sure you are in a caloric surplus. If your goal is to build muscle, then you need to be in a caloric surplus. You need to make sure you're providing your body with enough calories, with enough nutrients as well to build throughout the day. But by incorporating those 2 meals post-workout, it's gonna go a long ways in determining how much and how fast you can gain even more muscle. So keep that in mind. Just those are 2 things that I've implemented over the years that will actually, even the hardest of hard gainers can implement these 2 strategies. One other little tip I'm gonna share with you guys. If you are somebody that's considered a hard gainer, do these 2 post-workout meals, but also before bed. One thing I've always recommended, 2 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. 2, okay? 4 pieces of bread, peanut butter and jelly, and 16 ounces of milk every night before bed, and you will be amazed at the results you start getting. You will start putting weight on. Keep that in mind. You still have to do your other meals, but by doing these 2 post-workout meals and the 2 before bed sandwiches with the milk, trust me, you're gonna start gaining weight and you're gonna start getting stronger, start building more muscle. So implement those 2 strategies, man, and you will be building muscle before no time at all. But also, if you got any questions about any of these meals, any of these suggestions, comment, let me know. I've also got others out there. These aren't the only things to do. So again, just one more point before I leave this video. I've already said it, but I'm gonna stress it. 30 grams of protein post-workout and shoot for 30 to 40 grams of high glycemic carbs. Do that for your immediate post-workout meal or shake. That's up to you. And then again, within 90 minutes. So it could be an hour after to an hour and a half after consuming that shake or meal, then do another one and you will get great benefits. But guys, that's all I got. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Also click on the bell icon that notifies you every time I upload a new video. That way you'll be one of the first ones to view the video. And if you haven't already checked out my Ripped After 40 program, check that out. I've got a tremendous program out there for you guys that's gonna help you get lean, help you get ripped. It's got a meal plan that comes along with it that makes a lot of this simple. But guys, that's all I got for you. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.